What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is a widely known concept you've probably heard of, and that is to think is to create, or your thoughts become your reality. Your thoughts determine your destiny. So let's break that down just for a moment here. So you would both obviously agree that how you think sets up how you feel. Pay attention, notice. You have an insecure thought, you start feeling insecure. You think a positive thought, you think something empowering when you're accomplished, how do you feel? Your thoughts and emotions are interconnected. So how you think determines how you feel. That then sets up the words you speak, what you talk about. And how you think and how you feel and how you speak determine the action you take, your behavior. And your behavior over time turns into a habit. So we can say then that how you think and how you feel and how you speak determines how you get into action, determine your habits. And your habits are determining your destiny, your reality, your creation. And so we could say then that how you think and how you feel determine your life. The thing I want you to pay attention to is, what are you thinking? How are you feeling? Are you paying attention? Are you becoming aware of this? Or are you just letting it run on autopilot? Because chances are, ladies and gentlemen, 90% of what you thought today is going to be the same as what you thought yesterday. So the question then becomes, am I just a spectator of my reality, left as a hostage to my programming and conditioning from when I was a small child, or what I practiced as a teenager that's determining my life now, decades later? Or am I the conscious creator of my reality? Can I create the rest of my life through intention, by setting it up in my thoughts, by corresponding feelings and emotions of those thoughts, speaking conscious words, conscious language? Or am I left with the record of the past? If you're operating from a record of the past, memories, that means then you're going to be predictable in your future because there's no new information, nothing's changing. So I hope this video brought some value to you today. And I'd like you to sit down and think about, what do I want to think? What do I want to feel? What do I want my reality to be about? Because, ladies and gentlemen, so many people I hear say, I don't have time to do that, Justin. You don't understand how busy I am. And you're full of shit. Because the truth of the matter is, even if you work 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, that's only 40 hours a week. You have 184. So there's about 72 hours of discretionary spending of time. Are you investing it? Or are you just pissing it away? Watching TV, on Facebook, Instagram, social media, drowning out, checking out, numbing out? Or are you being a deliberate, conscious creator of your reality? Are you going to work on how you want your life to be, what you want to be about? So, again, I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Think about it. As a small child, who you're surrounded by, you didn't get to choose that environment, but it determined who you are today. So, you can decide who you want to surround yourself with now to determine your future. It's a conscious decision. Are you surrounding yourself with people that invest time in themselves to elevate their thinking, to elevate their emotional state, to be more conscious with their language, to get into imperfect action and massive action, to learn new information, to make mistakes and have grace and compassion with themselves? Or are you hanging around people that are doing the same shit day in, day out, and have been for decades and will for decades to come? So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.